Do you own the things or the things own you? This is the very important questions to ask in today's world. Most of us are busy with a small thing in your pocket, in your hands, and that is mobile. And if you see, the question that I am asking is the other way around. In today's world, things are controlling us. Like in our case of mobile, every time there is a beep, there is a message somewhere, you simply pick up the phone, and yes, you are in the hands of a mobile. So, what do you think about yourself? Do you own your things or your things own you right now? Do you own a television with you or a television is owning you by calling you to watch Netflix on it? Now, it is up to you to control your life. It is up to you to control the things that are in your life right now. See, many people have think that they are owning many things they own. They own the lifestyle, they own the mobile, they have tablets, they have laptops, TV, amenities all around them. But it is all other way around. Think deeply and see. What do you think? Are you truly owning the things? No. You are not owning the things truly one. You are just obeying the commands of the things. Most people say, I am doing whatever mind says. Today is a holiday, my mind say, let's relax. So what are you doing right now? Your mind is not in your control. Things are not in your control. Then what do you expect? Life should be in your control? It will not be, because life is full of these things only. If you control the things around you, then it automatically the life will be controlled. But you have to do it in a very organized manner. See, if we take an example of mobile, simply what you can do is switch off all the notifications you get and put aside a fixed time of the day to see the notifications and reply on them. When you are doing something, some tasks, simply put in a silent mode or upside down, or maybe if it's possible, remove from your eyesight and do the work. In that way, you are truly controlling your mobile phone. It is not the other way around. If you want to watch Netflix or something, simply go to YouTube and watch the motivational movies, motivational videos that can help you to increase your personality level, to increase your personality development. But will not do that. Why? It is very difficult. I want to enjoy my life. I can't say anything about that. It's up to you what you want to do in your life. I always see the things by my perspective. Your perspective may be a different one. But I'm trying to control all the things in my life, and not things are not controlling me. What do you think about yourself?